Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, straight ahead is the Red Market. And the Red Market is basically where you can get fresh cuts of meat. And we're gonna walk into it. And you can see from the building, it's all red. It's also called the Wet Market. This is what the address is. Just gonna walk in. Just kind of see what's in here. Fresh fish. Fish. And there's a lot of fish in here. We're gonna just go walk around a little bit. Let's just see. So, okay. Got a lot of fish here. So you get all fresh things here. I'm just gonna walk around and take a look. So, okay. You can also get cuts of meat here too. This is the backside. This is fruits and vegetables as well. And you can also go up there more. Kind of get an idea of what it's like. You can also get some fresh cuts of meat. So these fish are moving quite a bit there. I get splashed here. Really fish. Really fresh. Okay. So we're gonna head back down. Yeah, that's a little glimpse of the and you can also get some good cuts of beef in there too. Let's see if we can find another entrance. But if not, you got a sense for it anyways. It's called the Red Market. Alright, it's kind of just a busy street in Macau, basically. Oh, here we go. We go back in. Just want to walk around a little bit more. So this one you can get all your chicken and vegetables. So up there I guess is more of the fish. Okay. I think this side over here was more the this one had more of the cuts of meat. Okay. So we're gonna conclude right there.
Chiquinha.